Justice Minister Delroy Chuck believes the answer to reducing the backlog of court cases is stopping people from going to court in the first place. Speaking at the opening of the Justice Center in St. Andrew today, Mr. Chuck declared that certain matters would not reach a court if people knew how to resolve conflicts peacefully. TVJ's Kalisha Williams has the story.
On October 23, the mob killing of a forklift operator after his vehicle splashed a resident along Ricketts Crescent, St. Andrew during heavy rain sent shockwaves across the island. Many have declared that the incident brought a wider national problem to the fore. That is, many Jamaicans do not know how to resolve conflicts peacefully. Speaking at the opening of the Justice Center in St. Andrew on Friday, Justice Minister Delroy Chuck added his voice to the narrative.
People get into conflicts, but there should be no reason why they should end in violence.
Mr. Chuck stressed how some of these issues lead to an increase in the number of cases coming to the courts, subsequently clogging the system. But it appears the Justice Minister has the solution. First, in building more justice centers across the island. These centers, he explained, will be equipped with child diversion officers, restorative justice officers, and yes, mediation officers.
And what we hope is that these justice centers can be the area that persons can visit, or the justices of the peace, the child diversion officers, or the mediators can reach out to parties in conflict to settle them before they develop into serious acts of violence, or where they actually take it to court.
So far, 8 justice centers are in operation across the island. The Justice Ministry has revealed that the services these centers provide have grown over the years. In the 2018-19 period alone, over 1,000 restorative justice cases were successfully resolved. Now there's a plan to focus on conflict resolution in schools.
We want at least 3 trained restorative justice facilitators in all the schools. Over 1,000 schools.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.